Let's review last week's recipes. Welcome to my cooking channel. Let's cook with Momo. Today we will cook radish fried egg soup. This soup is super easy and appetizing. This is my first time made this soup and didn't expect it is so sweet and flavorful. Let's start cooking now. Ingredients are radish, egg, dried shrimp, and chopped ginger. Grate radish. Chopped ginger. Fried eggs and flipped when bottom has solidified, then set aside. Stir-fry dried shrimp until aromatic. Then add 1 bowl hot boiling water and let it simmer. Add fried eggs and grated radish. Season at taste. This soup must boil with high flame in order to have milky soup base. Look at the milky soup, yummy! Cook until radish turns softened and translucent. Radish texture tastes like eating radish noodle. It's delicious. Radish fried egg soup is done. So delicious. Give it a try. Curry powder broccoli omelette. Chopped broccoli. Crack eggs into bowl, seasoning and beat until frothy. Sauté broccoli with chopped garlic. Add water and cook until softened. Pour in egg liquid and cook until solidified. Powder broccoli omelette is done. It's delicious with curry powder aroma. Give it a try. Assam prawns is one of my grandma's signature dish. This prawn tastes sweet and sour. The sauce goes well with rice. The shrimp shells are fried to a crispy texture and are delicious. Easy and delicious. Save this recipe. Prawns and tamarind paste. Tamarind mix with water to dissolve. To add tamarind paste, 1 teaspoon salt, and 2 tablespoons sugar. Mix well to marinate prawns. Optional to add dark soy sauce to add color. Wrap with food wrap marinade for 30 minutes. Let cooking after prawn marinated for 30 minutes. Fry prawns until both sides golden brown. 1 minute. Plate it. Tamarind prawns is done. Tamarind sauce tastes sour. Sugar to season at own taste. Save and try this easy recipe. Cook and share this recipe with your family. Do follow my next new recipes on Friday to Sunday, 3 times a week, yeah. Weekly recipes will be available on Monday, containing videos of previous week too. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.